bunch of fleeting kitchen sinks with vows that float on coffee rings. Your laughter rigs a cotton mast and turns my hurry into past.
The window beads with silver notes, our names right out on paper boats.
We let the smallest current lead and call it love instead of need. Paper boats and wedding rain carry us through the tender plain. Hold my breath and teach it grace. Lay gentle weather on my face. Paper boats and wedding rain, every goodbye returns again.
We build a bridge from chair to chair and cross it like a simple prayer.
You place a ring of morning light around the edges of my night. No choir loud, no trumpet call, just two true hands to catch the fall. If storms insist on darker rules, we answer soft and break the tools. Paper boats and wedding rain carry us through the tender plain. Hold my breath and teach it grace. Lay gentle weather on my face. Someday the river will run low and all the pebbles start to show. We will still walk the patient bed and read the water where it led. Paper boats and wedding rain, we are the oars that never stray.